I don't want anybody to get me wrong. I do understand that this is what they're saying is a rocket launch or something like that. It's very intriguing what you see because it looks hell out of this world when you see it, right? And I'm going to show you two different videos. But what I do find rather disturbing is the fact that there is that military exercise going on that's supposed to be going on for a month, where they're going to be intermittently jamming commercial airliners of their the TCAS and their ADS systems. So is this part of the military exercise? I don't know. Is it very suspicious that they are now having some kind of rocket or missile launches off of the East Coast near Florida? Because this is where this was seen out of, Florida. And that's where exactly the locations where they said that this exercise is going to go on, right? Virginia, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, and all the way down into Florida. So is this part of all that? I don't know. Let's take a look at the footage and see how crazy it looks. I'm going to show you the other one first because this is crazy. Take a look at it.
¿Qué carajo es eso? No es un avión, pero...
It looks pretty crazy, but let's take a look at this other one.
Bro, I don't know what that is. It's probably a spaceship, man. What the hell is it?
What the fuck? It's a missile, dude.
Man, no fucking missile.
Yeah, it is in the middle of it.
What the hell?
Fucking nuke. Huh?
I don't know, man. Oh, God. This could be it, bro.
They said this could be it, like we're World War III. We're screwed.
I have no idea, bro.
Look at this fucking all the way back there. What the fuck?
What is it?
What the fuck, dude?
What the fuck is for real, bro?
What the fuck is that in front of it?
Hey, even if you guys don't find the visuals here interesting, just listening to these guys, I'm still cracking up with the. Oh boy, is this it? Oh my lord, I can't. This is too much. But check it out. I'll leave links in the description box. Thanks. Oh, 333. Huh? Oh, there we go. All right. Thanks.